Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use ChatGPT as a SQL server, right? So I'm going to train it to act like a SQL server and make sure to get some DSQL code out of that. So first thing, we can sign up to ChatGPT from OpenAI site. Then once we register and log in, you will find a dashboard that looks like this. At the bottom, you can see the new prompt. You can access this simply by creating new chat. It should open this text box. Now here, I will type in, I want you to act as a SQL server, or you can see SQL server DBA, right? And I want you to write tsql code to create a table with columns ID, name, age, salary, and say profession. Right now, here I want you to create the code for this table first, then explain the query in brief. Then I want you to write the code to insert dummy data into the same table. Make sure to create 10 queries to add the dummy data into this table, right? And if you want to add any additional constraint, you can do so. When I type exit, then you can, let's see, when I type quit, you can exit out of the terminal. Right now, what I will do is I will just push this particular prompt. Let's see what it does. So here is the tsql code to create that table. ID, name, age, salary, profession. It explained that code as well. Now let's scroll a bit down. Here you see it is showing us what each of these things are. Now it will try and create the 10 rows of dummy data to insert. As you can see, it has created that. Okay, now using the above insert query result, modify them to include non-technical profession in the dummy data, right? So this will kind of modify it, right? We can add additional constraint. Make sure to also have age between 25 to 65 range. Also salary should be between 15,000 to 85,000. Let's see what it does. Show the modified insert queries that include non-technical profession and meet the requested criteria. So between 25 to 65 and salary from 15 to 85. So total 10 entries for our insert query here. Pretty much everything exactly the way we wanted. So like this, you can write your SQL Server code. You can even verify this against your SQL Server Management Studio. I'm sure in near future there is a chance that it will embed your SQL Server and ChatGPT into your Management Studio. But for now, we can use this particular tab, just copy and paste to our management studio. So hopefully get an idea how to use ChatGPT as a DBA working on SQL Server.